Hello, my lovely people. Today I'm going to show you what I eat in a week and also how much I spend on food. First of all, let's start with breakfast. This breakfast was inspired by a brunch that I had a few weeks ago at a very lovely restaurant in London, and I will show you the picture here. It was so yummy, but I can't remember the exact name, so I'm just going to call it like toast sourdough with bresaola ham and topped with honey and chili olive oil. I have to say it looks quite easy to make, but to be honest, this is my first time trying to make it at home, so I'm not sure if it will taste as good as the restaurant version, but anyway, we'll see. Okay, I've made it. Let me try it now. Wow, I have to say, I'm not joking. It's actually amazing, guys. You need to try this. I think this might become my everyday breakfast. After this perfect breakfast, let's move on to my lunchboxes for the working week. I'm going to prepare 5 lunchboxes today, and for the carbs, I'm making boiled baby potatoes. And for the protein, I'm making pan-fried chicken legs with mushrooms. Well, the chicken legs were marinated with the day before with soy sauce and salt. So today, I think I just need to add a little teriyaki sauce, and then I will use the leftover sauce from the chicken to stir fry some mushrooms. And for the beef part, I think it's even simpler. I'm just searing the short ribs in a stainless steel pan, and they will turn out really delicious. I think those short ribs are especially tasty. It always tastes like milk or buttery flavor, and no matter how you cook them, they stay tender and never become tough. I think that's why I love it, and I think I have to eat this kind of short ribs almost 4 or at least 3 times a month, and I definitely recommend them to anyone who loves beef. Okay, now all the food is ready, and the last step is to put everything into my 5 lunch boxes. My hands, happy is this happy does. It ain't about what you get, it's about how you love. Laughter, the ones that you trust, it ain't no secret. I hope you guys enjoy this little food diary and my meal prep video. I will see you guys next time.